So, I yep, we are live. Oops. Yep, that's the correct one. Yeah, let me wait a bit until the YouTube loads through with the whole thing. Um, what we did the last time is we added the user storage or email. All right. For some reason, it writes me like the YouTube instantly reports me that I have a certain chat rate, which is BS. Because I unfortunately I don't, but yeah, whatever. First things first, we just we are gonna. Oh no, we're gonna use this, but user storage. We'll have to like mail struct email storage. It's maybe vector or something. I don't know. Oh yeah. There's just nothing to store actually, unless unless the storage directory. Yeah, we're not having anything to store here. Yep. First things first. Yeah. Email. It gotta be. It has to be all these sorts of things. Carter run. Let's check if everything if the email satisfies it. No, I guess it's not. But oh, the serialize. Oh, yeah, sure. What the oh yeah, I nearly forgot that it's gotta be for whatever reason. Oh, so it's already derived. Yeah. Sure, for no reason it's gotta be deserialized. It is right. We can already serialize it and deserialize it, so that's not gonna be a problem. But oh yes, hub.fn read oh yeah, and sure, we will obviously have to import the IO use std.io whatever. And oh yeah, pin code also. That's got a bit of usage. Exists. The email UID. std.path. Turn. Use std path. We need it as well. Read email result. All right, I mean, like it's auto completing all the code for us. I didn't have to do like anything. How am I supposed to learn? But all right, we really have to. Delete email, right? We could also emails for user we know. Get emails. Oh, I guess. UIDs. Yeah, again, nothing to do for me. Nothing to do. It works as it is. So, email storage we got. Received email. Also pub fan. Also I have to secure. Red. Secure. Red false. It wasn't. Now, yep. All right. So here we're compiling. Good enough. Test. Oh yeah, sure. Alright, here we do also build email storage. Get our init storage. Storage the view data slash log dot string. Oh yeah. So we are storing flops here. Yeah, sure. Struct email store. What the implement email public struct. Oh yeah. Public struct, it's gotta be public as well. First and second. Or is it core? Huh? User. Mod user use email email storage you or all right. So yeah, storage. Here we got like email is equals email from received email, right? Is it? You equals email you alright, first and let's comment it for now. Here. User storage.getUser. Oh yeah, for sure. The email can be sent like to multiple users. Well, that's a problem. No. Received email .2. Yeah, sure. Vector U. So first. Actually, this is an interesting one. What happens? All right, the good news are, um, we just have to modify the FSM to accept more recipients. And I guess the CC and BCC, it's just, yeah, we can just ignore them. I mean, like, oh no, we can ignore them, but well, it's a bitch, because we cannot encrypt the message from in this case. In this case, we cannot encrypt the message form if they're just ignored. Then we'll have to send the message directly as it is. We can only like use these requests here, and only here. When this thing is like being requested, we can respond, but not much more than that. All right. Give me a sec, I'll come in a second. Alright, I'm back. Sorry everyone. I am back. So, yeah. We'll just have to modify the final state machine now for the, yeah, to be able to receive emails for more than one recipient. I don't think that's gonna be a big problem. First things first. That's the FSM. So the recipient, we receive here, and we switch the state, which is not that good. We can't switch state yet, because only if we receive. All right, let's give it a brief moment. Recipient. Oh, so everybody's basically recipient. All right, that makes it much more easier. That makes it easier to implement the encryption as it is, as we want it to. Command is equals contains data. Oh, we don't even want this here anymore. Alright, because it can be like, I guess I'll have to draw waiting for data. Alright, I just don't need it anymore. I think I don't have to. And the algorithm here, it makes it much more easier to implement like what we originally wanted to. Okay, so quit. We're sending in some MIME types here, but again, we don't care about it as much as whatever. Alright, so we have it in headers here, and yeah, recipient 2. Alright, so again, we'll just Good. That makes it like way easier, and that's gonna work for like everyone. So that's gonna work for everyone because again, it's so simple and it makes it it's like awesome to implement, to manually modify as it is. Yeah, mutual receivers. We are getting the receivers. Oh yeah, sure. Um, receiver. We are we handling the receiving thing? Emails. That's two. Uh, emails. That's two. We can even let it as it is. Oh, let it as it is. So we're just emails dot two. We just have to wait a second. Yeah. Receivers, right? We are creating a email fsm dot email receive email dot two dot clone. All right, yeah, that's much better. And received emails to receivers, which is email fsm. Oops. Email fsm. What was it again? Email fsm. Oh, oops. Dot get email. Dot email. Dot two dot clone. Right. Charlie, Dave, even Frank. That's rank. All right. Four. So we're just getting the emails for him. Then we go to the user storage. Load from file, save from file, get user, add user. And well, yes, wrap, unwrap the users. We are creating a result. We're running through it, cloning, and we return it. Dot get users bulk. Then users we get ourselves a user storage dot get user storage dot get users bulk. I mean, we could use some database to it, but again, it's just that's the thing. We're gonna keep it lightweight. I mean, I don't think it's gonna be way too IO heavy. Like, I can imagine an SMTP server being that IO. I mean, like, we're not writing a very professional server here. I mean, we're kind of trying to do, but it's not gonna be anything high load. It's more of a private, locally hosted, self-hosted, open source, cryptographically secure alternative. So that's what's gonna be, right? And again, this what we're writing here is just a teeny tiny part, because the the main thing's gonna happen on the client, which we're gonna implement maybe a couple of sessions later in React, I guess, or maybe Svelte, because Svelte isn't like that influenced by the big tech and doesn't have so many dependencies, right? Because we like really writing a very secure software with security in mind. We really have to keep in mind with security and privacy in mind, right? We just have to keep in mind that it could be any, well, I don't know, any attack, any supply chain attack, which recently happened like a lot more often than we would like to. So, uh, oh yeah, sure. Thank you, thank you, Mr. Copilot, for adding it for me. Again, I don't think I'm learning that good from using the Copilot, but oh yes, and it messes it up. Wait a second. The use of move value. Alright, sure, we're in a thread here. Yeah, I nearly forgot it. There's storage using clone for this type. We're not gonna be cloning anything. Like that's what we're using mutex for. We are using a shared state. I mean, I wish we could. I tried to recently learn about Erlang and Elixir in this case, because like Erlang feels like way too weird and etc. And I was thinking like, how is it possible that the value doesn't there isn't a common heap, and there is like nothing. But I mean, like, how can I share store a common state? And then I came up with the idea, well, that's the point exactly. So sharing a common state, we just write a service, a service, a thread basically, which, well, receives data, and when we're reading from the common state, we just send it the request and it responds us with it. So there is basically some of a firewall in between. I was thinking like, wow, that's actually awesome. We don't have to worry about synchronizing anything, and it's really uncrushable. I was thinking like, oh my god, that's really awesome. And I was thinking later, maybe again, it's not today, it's not tomorrow, it's not this year. Definitely, I'm gonna I have a job to do. I have a university to attend. I have this project to write. But actually, I was thinking about some time. The thing I hate about Elixir is its syntax and Erlang. The syntax command, guys, it just sucks. It really like sucks. And I was thinking like maybe doing my own programming language, a Java-like programming language with some Java and Rust, some semantics, right? But which is gonna run on the Erlang, on a Beam virtual machine, and compile to Erlang, not to Erlang, but to the Beam virtual machine, with all the security in mind, all the multi-processing in mind, and uncrashability in mind. Basically, let one crash, all the other main stuff in mind. And I thought like, well, that's cool. All right. The question is now, can we take it out of scope here? Can we? I didn't see any problem with us couldn't. Let's just give it a shot. All right. And just comment the hell out of it. And we aren't returning here anything either. So that's gonna, oh, it worked. Alright, that worked, because again, I did something similar in C back in my, let's say it this way, back in my time, right? But I don't like, oh, maybe that's, but there's nothing to not work here, but right? But there's nothing to red secure. But let's just let's just, for the simplicity, keep it in and for the sake of syntax, keep it in a scope here, just because we can, right? And it works, and the borrow checker doesn't slur us, which is like, all right, which is good. Um, email received 4 users found for email. Oh yeah, sure. We don't have we haven't created the users yet, but they are here. They should be here. Again, I think we're soon to be started. I mean, even today, I think we're gonna be starting with the basic REST API, because again, we need some management here. Users, we can create emails, we can receive. I mean, we can send out emails right now, but it's gonna be fixable. And again, that's I believe that's gonna be one of the last things we're gonna do, because again, the main point of this service, of this self-hostable service, is basically well, as it is, to well, to be able to yeah, well, first of all, obviously receive, but to be able to yeah, be self-hostable and secure, and that's the main like target of it. But yeah, so yeah, I think we gotta start with the REST API just right goddamn now. So please wait for a second. I got a voice message and I gotta hear it. Sorry. Alright, sorry, I'm back. So let's continue. I found here there's this gonna be running an HTTP server here. HTTP. Again, it's not it's a blocking one, but yeah. Again, we don't need much, right? We really don't need much. Server 8080. Request. Result. Oh yeah. Okay. Next, 30 JSON. Body. What the? Let response with string. This code. Alright, maybe this one's gonna work. Okay. Now we use it like this actually. Listening on. I got a not found, alright. User list. Alright, I'm getting something. Added a modified the FSM to accept the multi mails and later so we have to create we have to use auth tokens for which we're gonna be using well, first things first, let's create API. JSON, I believe it's already there. Oh no, it's not, but whatever. Whatever. Also, we are passing it to this server, to this thing here. We are passing it user storage, and the email storage. And can we use it like this here? I think we can. So we're borrowing it. Yeah, now we gotta find the borrow checker. Alright. We spawn a thread. It's not gonna work. Doesn't care if lost actual thread safe or ownership enforced at compile time. Moves the ownership to the user storage into the new thread, so later I cannot like access it. This value is gone. I gave it to the thread. Alright, I have to wrap it into the arc. Okay. Let's try it. Arc. Can you? So we are. So, oh, we are now cloning the. We are now cloning the arc, right? But we are cloning the arc, but we are not cloning everything behind it. Cool. We are cloning the arc, so we have a new arc, but the value behind this arc is basically the same everywhere. All right. Can we like access it this way? No, we cannot. Oh yeah, sure. And importing it. User storage, user value borrowed here after move. Oops. remove. And here we have a yep, makes sense. Nope, does not. Alright. Oh, so it's not inside. We really have to do it like outside. Outside it. Outside it. Before like running it. And only then can we do this here. Oh, though here actually I can use the original thing. Wow. Wow. Shit. Okay. Oops. It's not gonna work. Yeah, it's just. So you're using one of the yeah. Yeah. It's useless. Um. We have to now parse it. How are we doing it? There's something sometimes, but yeah. API. Oh really, this shit we really have to like make ourselves a custom one. Shit. router. A method, a string, and a handler. Whereas a handler, oh yeah, sure. Handler, response plus send. Well, not particularly, just any function which just gets the request. Oh, that's wrong. This time. Oh no, so expected. Users. Good. All right. Public function at route. Oh, we can even router at route. We can handle the request. Yeah, for now it's actually more than enough. Actually, here even method string ooh. Handler GBT, for example, with handler being request and option user. Oh, we can even. Oh no, we just. They call a copy prototype, and then we just store it. User, user storage. Passing in, oops, in application, fetching user info, etc. Yeah, that should be fine actually. Yeah, that's more than enough. So yeah, holy shit, yeah, we're going a really deep way down with the whole responses, but I believe that's the only like real way to do it. Yeah, indeed. Indeed, it is the only way to do it. So yeah, get a shit. Router actually. Routes, oops, it's the routes. That's the user storage and the email storage. authenticated user. Oh, yep. I don't think that's. Oh, it's correct. It is, but not the rest. Not. API. Oh, no. Router. No, router. Is this correct? And it doesn't work because API. Oh yeah, sure. Now we are getting bombarded with all this shit. Response. Huh? Missing a generics for response? Best. Oh no. Oh no, we don't need it. Sure. We don't need it. And a handle request. Handle. Mm-hmm. Storage is also a core. It's also core, so storage. Get key. Alright, hash map new. Expected structure. We made an insert, but its trade bounds were not satisfied. Oh, method string. Oh, yeah, sure. Sorry. God damn it. What happened this time? Is it rather insert? Background. Path. Secure. Handler. If some. Expected three elements. Sure. Oh. Yep. We're live now. Good. Yeah. Okay, so reading this thing now. And then I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm freaking tired today. So I have to add the routes. Over your router. Handling a request here. We're just handling a request there. Oh, we're not handle the request. Oh yeah, and we cannot just return that. Sure. Response, right? Nope. We should return some kind of response. Can we just ignore it for now? Nope. Expect response found. Nothing. Return. Oh, self. First, and that. Yeah. The handler. Let response. What I'm seeing here. Oh. A function? Oh, that's the problem. Alright, let's maybe clean this up. Response, and not just any response, but std.io cursor. No. Square. Use it now. respond and purchase. Response is equals to handler. Here. Oh, so that's what the context is gonna pass.